Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your YouTube app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store, go over to the search area and search in YouTube. You can see it at the up, the first option. So you go over to it and you move over to the YouTube, and over here you're going to see update. You have to tap on the update and also tap on the update also. Okay, and it's downloading and it won't take just a few seconds, it will be done. And you downloading your YouTube app, you have the latest features, and where that YouTube have YouTube AI, which you can use for doing AI or making AI video, and it's almost done. So let me go over to it right away. It's all done, so let me go over to tapping open, and this is it. And guys, this is how you can be able to update your YouTube app. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time guys. Bye.